This is the installation guide for ScreenArmor's 4-layer Ballistic Glass Clear, made with bulletproof vest materials, dust-repellent glue, and a built-in dust removal sticker for a faster install. To save time, start by selecting the cut you want before cleaning the phone. Choose brand, then model, or by typing in the details. If the customer is unsure of their handset model, find them in the handset settings, under About Phone. Use designs listed under the 5H to 9H category and choose Clear. They are designed for use with cases and flat screens. More designs can be found under Menu category, Front. Check it's the correct material and load it by laying it flat and pushing it gently towards the wheels under the right-hand guide rail. A small camera detects loading and pulls the blank into the machine after 3 seconds. Click the red button called Scan Cutting. The machine will scan the QR code and download the specific design, cut depth, speed, and torque requirements, and automatically start cutting. Whilst the blank is being cut, remove any phone case and place it in the application tray, holding the power button for a count of 2 seconds. Peel off any old screen protectors. To protect your fingers, use the hard white ends of the squeegee, especially if the glass is cracked. Clean the screen thoroughly. For particularly grubby screens, use a tissue to remove as much dirt and grime before using the clean, anti-static microfiber cloth. It will last longer. Remember, you don't need a dust sticker for a 4-layer install. That's why we prefer it. Ballistic glass is tougher than tempered glass and just as hard, so it needs a super strong blade and powerful torque to cut pristine edges. Note the numbers 1 and 2. Peel off the white layer to reveal the dust prevention sticker. It has a light tack. Flip it straight onto the screen. Don't worry about alignment here. Tap away until you are sure all dust has gone. Check the guide holes are correct, small left and large right, as some can be reversed for larger camera holes needing a firmer grip. With your left hand, reach underneath the blank and pinch the corner firmly, peeling away the dust sticker and place it lightly over the applicator hooks. Using the white plastic hole in the end of the squeegee, push the blank onto the applicator hooks, keeping the blank tight and hovering over the screen, but not touching it. Take the squeegee in your favored hand, and from the top outside edge, push the ballistic glass onto the screen by sliding along the top cut line and splitting the screen protector away from the blank's frame. Lift the frame from the first corner's hook, slide down to the next corner, and lift the bottom corner until one whole side of the frame is free. Swap the squeegee to your opposite hand. Lift the frame a little and push the squeegee along the screen protector whilst lifting the frame and separate it completely. Use a corner of the separated frame and stick it firmly to the corner of the screen protector. To remove the final protective layer, squeeze out any bubbles by pushing from the center to the nearest edge, and hold the squeegee at a shallow angle and slide it along any edges to ensure strong adhesion all round. Remove the phone from the applicator, double-check for a pristine installation, refit any cases, and proudly hand it back to a now satisfied customer.